National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a flash flood warning for Sedgwick County in east central Kansas. National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lafayette Parish in south central Louisiana until 4:15 p.m. At 3 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing DVD-size hail and destructive 100-mile-per-hour winds located near Carencro and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Lafayette. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Carencro, Scott, Youngsville, Houston, and Broussard. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. This is a potentially deadly storm. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Abandon vehicles in a search of a more substantial permanent structure. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Lake Charles. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement.